What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another math puzzle. In this one, the question is as follows. Can you correctly evaluate the expression below? We have 4 factorial divided by 3 factorial divided by 2 factorial divided by 1 factorial. And again, factorials are multiplication countdowns, which means 4 factorial is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And we have to choose from the following 4 answers. Hit that pause button and see if you can figure it out. When you're ready, hit play and I'll give you the explanation. So in order of operations, we're going to calculate the factorials first, and then we're going to carry out the division. So 4 factorial, that's 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is 24, divided by 3 factorial, 3 times 2 times 1, which is 6, divided by 2 factorial, which is 2 times 1, that's just 2, divided by 1 factorial, which is 1. Now we're going to go left to right with the division. So 24 divided by 6, that is 4. 4 divided by 2, that is 2. 2 divided by 1, that is 2, which means C is the winner. Done. I hope you guys enjoyed this math puzzle, and if you did, please click that like button. If you want to see more math puzzles on the regular, make sure to click subscribe. Thank you guys so much for joining. We'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.